Adding and subtracting fractions, multi-step word problems, item 4323. The Freedom Trail is 2.5 miles long. Anna walked 5/8 of a mile from Boston Common to the Paul Revere House. Then she walked 3/8 of a mile from the Paul Revere House to Copp's Hill Burying Ground. How many more miles did Anna walk to complete the trail to the USS Constitution? So she's walking this long trail. She goes here, then she goes there, and then we have to find out how much farther does she have to go to get to the end of the trail. Let's check our math helps. A number line can be used to represent equivalent fractions. The Freedom Trail is 2.5 miles long. And now they're showing us that split up into eighths. 8/8, 16/8, 24/8. The Freedom Trail is 20/8 of a mile long, so it ends here. Okay. Help number 2. You can use a diagram to model the problem. Boston Commons at the 0, that's the start where she started. She goes 5/8 of a mile and stops here. And then she goes 3/8 of a mile and stops there. Then she continues to the end of the trail at the USS Constitution. So the question is, how far is it from here to here? Well, how far from mile 1 to mile 2? Well, that's 1 mile, right? 8/8. So if she walks 1 mile, she stops here. And then from here to the USS Constitution, how far does she have to travel? 1, 2, 3, 4/8. 1 4/8 of a mile. That's my final answer. Oh no, it's not here. 1 4/8 is not here. Oh, I'll just pick 1 7/8. That's the closest. No. 4/8 is equivalent to 1.5 because 4 is half of 8. So let's check that and click check. And that's what they're showing us. Now in their explanation, they say one way to solve this is to subtract. You can do that. We add it on. Either way works.